I'm going to shut down pretty soon because it's kind of slow tonight. You can check out all my live feed in my live tab from my channel, Avigeli. I've got a bunch of Newark Airport live feed archives and a ton of Teterboro ones. I only started live feeding about a week and a half ago. I normally just do straight videos. The live feed's fun, it's kind of different. I'll just stick around for a couple more because I think there's 2 more jets about to take off that I want to see. There you go. That guy's going straight north. He didn't loop around like the other ones. All right, bye everybody.